Rapiit. Inside of the Nankai Rapiit. Hotel Kansai. Hotel Nikko, Kansai Airport. This is more like it. We did get an upgrade for Sherry's birthday, but nice bathroom. Proper size bathroom and toilet, not like the last place where it was so small you couldn't really even sit on the toilet. And nice wardrobe and safe. Bedroom, 2 big plush beds, a fridge that looks like it probably actually works, Sherry's birthday present, water, nice lounge to sit on, and a view, I presume, of the airport if I can get nearer. Drawing in the curtains.
They won't open except at the end.
Plane taking off there, so looking out over the terminal. Anyway,
I've got
cut
the
some of that out. There we go.